Alrighty. Let me see here. Which one do you think it is? Which one? We got, wow, there's a lot to choose from. Look at that. We have this one. We did this one last week or the week before, right? We did the macaron and we did the cupcake. So which one do you think we have? Make your guess, make your guess. Which one? Okay, let's see here. It's on, game on. Oh, let's move the ones we already own. Hopefully it's not the same thing. You always wonder. It's loud too, right? Are you ready? Here we go. Pusheen. Oh, uh-oh. I think one of you right. Look at that. That's so cool. Caitlin wins. It's a cookie. And I ate it. It doesn't taste that great. I think it broke a tooth. No. Look at all the chunks on that. Man, that's a yummy cookie. Now let's see. I don't really want to draw him. Maybe he's standing up. Maybe he's standing in front of it. I think he should be laying on it. What do you think? Let's draw Pusheen laying on his side on the cookie. So let's see here. I want to start with, let's start with the bottom line of Pusheen, okay? So let's decide where we want to put Pusheen and put a big, yeah, make it as long as you want Pusheen. How big is Pusheen? I'm going to make mine pretty big. My hands are dirty. I've been creating all kinds of masterpieces today, especially with our gummy bear class, right? I got dirty drawing gummy bears. Woof. Yep, and the chicken nugget day. Oh yeah, that was fun. That was fun. Okay, let me look at this and see how we want to do this. I want to round out the top here. Because Pusheen is laying down, we're going to have to angle this, okay? So let's do a little, two sides of the triangle, right? Two sides of the triangle. And then curve for the forehead, blah, blah, blah. And then let's see here. I want another ear. So the ear needs to go up and then back down. Got that? Yes, that looks really good. Now Pusheen has a pretty big belly. Do you see how that curves up? Wow, I really got a lot of marker on me. I am a mess. Oh my goodness, look at all that on my hands. This is the hand I open markers with. That's funny. That looks good. You did excellent. So curve this belly up, and then we're going to try to curve it down and round out the end down here. So get a nice curve. I went really light until I decided I like it, and now I can go back and darken that up. Sweet. I like that. That looks good. Looks good. Did you do it? Okay, so we can see all four paws. Oh yeah, that looks really good. We can see all four paws. So let's start up here and put one paw here. Go find my eraser. And I'm going to clean out this area here. I don't want a line there. And then come down, and we're going to curl this paw just a little. There we go. And then down here, we want another paw. So give it a curve and clean out the inside. I hope your eraser's handy dandy. There we go. And then this paw down here, you're just gonna go, see where you put this one? Just scoot down just a little, and let's curve this. There, 1, 2, 3, 4. Got all four paws. I'm trying to clean up all my extra lines here. Beautiful. And the tail's coming toward us. You see that on that cookie? The tail's on the cookie. So bring the tail out, round it, and then tuck it back under. And it's got 3 stripes, so curve, 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 curve. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 curves, creating the 3 stripes. All right, let's see here. Pusheen has a weird smile because he's guilty, maybe, since he bit the cookie. I think he's guilty. You think he's guilty?
I think he's chewing the bite of the cookie he took.
Oh, that would be it. Oh, clever. That is hilarious. That's his chewing mouth, I guess, right? Chomp, 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 chomp. I think he needs to take a smaller bite. Maybe he wouldn't have such a weird expression on his face. There you go, buddy. I had to find my mouse to unclick you.
Maybe he already took 2 bites and that like his 3rd bite.
Oh, he's on his 3rd bite. Gotcha. Gotcha. By the 3rd bite, I usually have chocolate on my face. That would be funny. Oh my goodness. Now let's see here. We need the 3 U's right up here on the forehead. So in this direction, they look like backward letter C's instead of U's. Oh goodness, come on, focus. Focus, camera. There we go. So we've got that. We need the whiskers. Now the whiskers are curled up on this one because he's laying down, all relaxed, having a good time, chomping down on his 3rd bite of chocolate chip cookie. I'm pretty sure it's warm. He's gonna have chocolate all over him when he gets up though. Silly kitty, she shouldn't be on the cookie. Let's go down and put an eyeball on each side underneath those ears. Leave some good space between the eyes. You see the mouth is a little bit bigger than we normally draw for Pusheen. And the mouth, you look like you're going to curve around that eye on both sides. See my little curves? Nope, because my camera's fuzzy today. There we go. And then inside of that, you're going to just make a letter J and then a backward letter J, like the normal mouth that we do. We need to add on Pusheen. Oh, let's add the stripes on the side. Since we're laying her down on the cookie, we want to have some kind of detail. There we go. Now the cookie goes all the way around. It's bigger than the cat, right? So we want to make sure when we tilt her, we can't see the back part. We can only see from where the ear is around and right here and around. So let's start right here and let's bring this cookie around. Now, I don't want to make a perfect round cookie. I think I'm going to bring it out. Since we're looking at an angle, we want to create a big flat cookie. And then bring it forward, more like an oval. Yeah, let's do oval. And then what do we need in the front? Jonathan, what do we need in the front? Yeah, we need to make it look like they just chomped it out. Do some bite marks in there. That is hilarious. I gotta get my extra lines off of here. Oof, I want a bigger chomp. Mine was too little. Jonathan had a big chomp, so I'm gonna do a bigger chomp there. Yeah, see, that makes me happy. Big bites. There's still a lot of cookie there. And then what else do we need? We need some of these chips. So they have square chips and triangle chips. So you just put some different shapes on there. Anything goes. I'm not going to have any touching Pusheen because I really don't want to have the colors messing up. So I'm going to have them, there we go. I'm going to have an odd number of chocolate chips because some of them are in Pusheen's mouth already. Okay, let's grab some colors. Let's grab some colors. I am already knowing that WG3 is my Pusheen color. Maybe. Warm gray. Warm gray is Pusheen color. Are you using markers or colored pens? Oh yeah, you got smelly markers. Yum. I think I'm gonna color my cookie first off. Get that cookie all delicious. I'm gonna go over my chips since the chocolate chips are gonna be darker. I'm just gonna go over them just for time's sake. I want to do a good job. I just don't need to go around each one, right? I'm going to do nice, clean strokes. I'm going to go over the areas I want it to look thicker. I'm going to go over it one more time and round it out. Ooh, look at your cookie. Yummy. Yum, 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 yum. And I'm going to go underneath the cat once to add a little bit of shading to it. Show that there's a little shadow there. What do you say? Maybe some curved lines on there just to add some more texture to my cookie. Oh yeah. I think there's some chocolate speckles in there too, so I'm going to put some dots on there. Create a couple extra little textures. So when I make chocolate chip cookies, there's extra chocolate. Let's see here, where's Pusheen color? I'm just going to go over Pusheen one time and then add my details. So the eyes are dark. Oh, that looks so good. Yum, yum, yum. Now I'm going to do the eyes and the whiskers, the darker brown. Here we go. Just getting my details on here. Oh, I still have to outline my cookie as well. Finish up my cookie. Almost forgot to color in my cookie outline. This really cool paint pen, the Posca paint pen. I'm going to put my reflective dots on Pusheen's eyes. There we go. Okay, let me cut mine out, Jonathan. Let me cut mine out. I'm cutting it out because now we're full puppets. I left a little down here to hold it. Dun, dun, dun. There we go. Love it. There we go. And this line right over here. Ta-da! Pusheen and the cookie from our final series toy.